This is Lavender Hidcote. It's an English lavender that is incredibly drought tolerant, is fully winter hardy, is evergreen, has the most incredible fragrance, and all you need is full sun and good drainage. Now, I grew these from small plants. They've been in here 6 years and they look fantastic every single year and flower throughout the height of summer. When you plant lavender, you need to keep it well watered until established. And then I trim mine twice a year, once just after it's flowered. And you know when the flowers have gone over because all the pollinators literally disappear. And then I give it another trim in springtime. Just be careful to never cut into the old wood. That's really bad for lavender. But twice a year is all I do. I don't feed it. It survives in really poor soils. So it's actually very low maintenance. Depending on season and time of year, YouGarden offer lavender in forms of plug plants or 9 centimetre pots or the big established 2 litre plants. So depending on your budget, your gardening experience, your patience, there are options for everyone. My lavender is one of the most rewarding and easiest plants that I've grown in my garden. Sitting here looking at the pollinators is absolutely magical. And one plant in a pot is fantastic, but if you are able to grow en masse, to have that lavender hedge, it is simply sensational. And it looks like this for many, many years. So if you're looking for a drought-tolerant plant that is beautiful, that the pollinators adore, that is evergreen, that is winter hardy, that is fragrant and lasts for years, then Lavender Hidcote has got to be a #1 choice.